When you run Linux on a server, then typically you access it over SSH. Yes, that means using the text console and remembering and typing cryptic commands. With Webmin, you can do most, if not all, tasks on a Linux server with a nice graphical interface. And the best thing is, it only takes 5 minutes to be implemented. How to get hold of Webmin, how to install it and how to use it? Stay tuned. I use a lot of tools in my videos. There are so many great software solutions which make my life easier or help me to achieve things which would be much more difficult to do without them. This video is part of a larger series. Please check the card up here in the corner or that little info icon to get access to it. The link is also in the description of this video. This Toolbox series is not meant to give a full tutorial, but rather let you know that the tool exists and how to get hold of it and how to get started. If you want me to make a detailed video on how to use it, then please leave me a comment on YouTube. Do you also have that one little awesome software tool? Leave me a comment. I would be excited to learn about it and maybe share it here. First, let's see how we can get hold of Webmin. Let me quickly ask almighty Google. The first link leads me to the webmin.com website. In the download section, I can see the various package formats for many different Linux distributions. I personally like the Debian dialects such as Ubuntu, etc. So I copy the link location for the Debian installer file to the clipboard. In order to install Webmin on my server, I need to download the package to my server. This can be done with curl or wget. Let me SSH into my server quickly. I type wget and paste the URL which I had copied to my clipboard. Wget will now download the package from SourceForge for me. Takes just a couple of seconds really, depending on the available bandwidth. In order to install it, I type sudo dpkg -i and then the name of the package. That launches the Debian package installer and installs Webmin on my server. Takes a couple of seconds as well. The install fails and tells me that there are a lot of dependencies that are missing, but I have expected this. There is an easy way to fix this. All I need to do is call apt with a -f option and the install command, and that will automatically install all missing packages and configure Webmin for me. If the Webmin installation was successful, then my system will be reachable browsing to port 10,000. Be aware that by default Webmin uses SSL or HTTPS. That means that I get this security warning because the underlying certificate is not known to our browser. I will do a separate episode on TLS and SSL certificates in the future. For the time being, I just confirm the exception. I can now log in as root and here comes my Webmin interface. From here I can do things such as create users, change their passwords, add or remove them from groups, start, stop or modify services, and many more things. There are also many plugins for different servers such as Samba if you're running a file server for Windows or Dovecot if you're running an email server. Webmin usually recognizes if such a server is present on the system and provides a menu for it. Guys, this concludes today's Toolbox episode. I hope you liked it. If so, then please may I kindly ask you to leave me a thumbs up. That's highly appreciated. Many thanks. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to leave me a comment. If you want to talk to me, then join my Discord server. I'm available for video, voice and text chats. Many thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.